Hello, welcome back to the video. This is my other video. Or if you're watching this, welcome back to my channel. This is my channel. I'm not good when it comes to introduction and stuff, content creation and so forth. But what I have here with me is tomatoes, seedlings, tomato seedlings, and if you are new here, so I'm always victim when it comes to birds, or maybe you can say rodents, eating my plants. So this is the video where now I've even lost count to the ones that are asking, who've been now catching up to the channel. I've lost count. I don't know now how many plants have I fallen victim to when it comes to rodents and birds eating them, right? So the purpose of this video, we'll be talking about tomatoes. So I took a tomato, just a normal tomato. You can go find the video in the uploads. So I cut open the tomato, took the seeds, and I planted them here. So let me show you the seedlings then before we start to talk about what's the story, what's the issues, and way forwards, and the purpose of this video, of course. So let me show you the seedlings. Okay, the story about this pot is I chopped the tomato and I took the seeds and I planted them. As you can see now, they are like half finger. Like you see the second line of the finger, 1 and 2, they're this size, right? So if I am estimating the ruler, it's like 3 centimeter. They are like 3 centimeter. So now I planted this a tomato with a plan. I want to try how to do a homemade tomato sauce, right? So I want to try do a homemade tomato sauce, and of course we need to have the sauce, no pun intended, but the sauce that can actually produce me tomatoes, right? So that's how these tomatoes came to play here. And now the main purpose of this video is my favorite weapon, bamboo sticks. So these are bamboo sticks. So we're just gonna create like a circle around them, so that birds and rodents will find it difficult to enter or break through. It's fair if they can nibble the outside ones, because these plants are so many, and I don't have any interest for now. I don't have any interest in pruning them until I figure out the space issue first, right? So the plants that I'm having now, all of them are I'm keeping them in pots until we sort out the space issue. So let's go. Let's not waste no time, yeah. And yes, this is how the look. This is how the pot looks now. So for me to even remember that I need to do something like this, it's the purpose is I'm not planning to prune. I'm not planning to have a variety of pots of tomato, but I want to see, can I grow a tomato, and then the tomatoes that will grow here. So I've already, so this it becomes like a wall for them not to tip over, right? And then I'm going to create like a wall, a systematical wall, where there's going to be a thin line or a thin wire that will be like a sort of like a staircase, right? So that they can grow upstream, up high. So that's the purpose of this, so that whatsoever can happen, the structure of the plant is solid, right? Because I can weave through it with the wire so that the plants cannot tip over or whatsoever, So it plays a huge role in my longevity towards having this plant, because tomato plants are very sensitive plants, right? So yeah, so let me show you a finished product. So yes, we have secured the pot with the plants to grow tomatoes. So yeah, this is the video, making sure the tomatoes are safe this time. No rodents, no rats that can come and nibble off the plants, and making sure the structure of the plants is solid. And one thing, that I want to do here, I need to start going through research and see how to make a homemade tomato sauce. Is it gonna be a beneficial thing or what? And you will see, I don't know will I show the video or not, but I'll definitely, I don't know how long the plant will have to take for it to grow, but what I'm definitely showing that I can tell you is this plant loves water. This plant loves water, so I need to always constantly pouring more water, and yeah, then take it from there. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you are new here, you are more than welcome. To the ones who are now watching my channel, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your support, it means a lot to me. It also helps the channel to get more viewership. More viewership means more engagement, and having more engagement, it keeps me consistent to bringing you such content. So I'm really grateful that you guys are around watching my videos. Thank you to the subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we are new in this agriculture thing, with the plans to be commercial. So yeah, the end of the video, and peace.